I have Huawei Band 8 in front of me, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sort or change the custom cards. Now, if you swipe left, you'll see that we have 4 custom cards here, and they are sorted in certain order. To change that, scroll down, go to the settings, and then tap on custom cards. So here you can sort them out. So for example, if I want the SPO2 to be on the first place, not the heart rate, I'm going to tap here, and now we can see it on the first place. Also, we have an option to remove some of them, so I'm going to remove activity records by tapping on X. And now, because for our maximum we have this plus icon where we can add here something else. There are no many options here. We can see just stress and activity records. So I'm going to add stress as the last one. And that's pretty much it. Now, if we go to the custom cards, we can see that SPO here is on the first place. And we also have stress management at the last place. And that's how it's done. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below. Again, thank you for watching. Have a nice day and see you in the next one. Bye bye.